Step 1. Enter your address. Step 2. Confirm your roof and slope. If necessary, you can adjust the outline of your roof or add additional roofs that weren't automatically detected. Step 3. Click See My Price and enter your basic information so our team can follow up with you. Step 4. Boom. You can see different product options that we offer, each with an accurate price and additional details. Step 5. Click the button to send the quote information and product details to your email. It's that simple. Our team will be in touch with you shortly to discuss the next steps of your project.